Hi friends, we are creating wonderful websites using WordPress. And in this video, we are going to create a perfect website for medical services or clinic. We have this 4 options with the theme that we are going to use. And the theme is actually new and with the stunning look. And the name of theme is Medunit. So it is a psychology and health care services WordPress theme, and it has 4 demo website. It is bringing the complete set of demo internal pages and all the features that you need for clinic or medical services website. So let us start creating this wonderful website, and we will discuss the rest of the things during the video. And if you are coming to this channel very first time, subscribe the channel, press the bell button if you are anyhow connected to WordPress websites or your business website. I have this core installation of WordPress, and I am assuming you have already taken the hosting and the domain name. And if not, you may simply follow the video description link to get all the elements that you need for your website. Let us proceed the installation, and I'll show you the theme pack. In the theme pack, you are going to get this installable theme file, documentation, and licensing part. To install the theme, we can simply open the appearance section and click on themes. Click on add new themes. Add new theme. Upload theme. Choose file. And here we need to choose medunit.zip file. Click on install now. And it will take a while, of course. Theme file size I checked is around 15 MB, and depending upon your host capacity and internet also dependency, it may take a while, but I wish to show you the exact time it is taking for me at least. So I'm using a WordPress optimized shared hosting plan that comes at a very reasonable price. You can get the same at WP Themes website. Okay, so theme has been installed successfully within few seconds. We can go to the theme page. Medunit theme is here along with the default theme. This is very first version. So I must tell you, Medunit WordPress theme is in fact a new theme, and it got introduced few days back only. And this is the very first version that I am using. When you will order the theme, might be on later dates, you will be getting updated versions and more enhanced feature version, but the installation process and the feature will remain almost same as I assume, but definitely new version will come with new horizons and new scopes. Okay, so we have installed the theme and we can now activate the theme. And upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. On this screen, I can see 10 plugins have been listed. All are recommended only. Nothing is required. But yes, to get the optimal feature at our website, we need to install all these plugins. Classic editor is here for editing the elements. Contact Form 7 as usual. Custom post UI type. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. This is for showing the compliances. MailChimp for integrating the MailChimp or subscribing the email subscription. This is toolkit coming from the theme developers. One-click demo import for importing the demo content. This is Slider Revolution for hero image. And WooCommerce is also here for e-commerce website. So all these 10 plugins are great, and I'm selecting all, and we'll select install and click on apply to install all these recommended plugins. Yes, it is again going to take a while because number of plugins are 10, and it has the dependent factors that we need. But yes, it may install all plugins in a single attempt, or you have to install the plugins one by one just to avoid any error in the plugin installation process. So it is totally simple process, and you don't need any technical intervention for doing all these things. But yes, don't skip any part of this video, because without understanding any theme, you should not buy it. It is very clear, and this is the purpose of these videos, this channel, to show you everything that you are going to get with the theme or the plugin or the resources that you are going to use at your WordPress website. Wait. All plugins has been installed successfully. You can see all green marks here, and this is the beauty of hosting plan and the even theme itself. So all smooth. We can go to the plugin installer screen again, and this time we have to select all the installed plugins once again, and we are going to activate all the installed plugins. Great. All plugins has been installed and activated successfully. We can come back to the dashboard just to check whether we need any further activity. Okay, so we are being redirected to welcome page of Elementor. Just cross this, we will be back on the dashboard. And yes, here. So now what is next? I can see some new links here. I'll show you all the links that is coming new. And we can take a look of our website as well, how it looks with the theme and plugin. But yes, we have yet not imported the demo content, and this is the simple look of website. We have 4 layouts as pre-made website. We can choose any as per our requirement and choice. And all these layouts brings all the internal pages and great interface as well. So I am proceeding for importing the demo content, and under appearance tab, I can see the import demo data option. And at this screen, we have to proceed for importing the demo content. So this is the option. We can simply click on import demo data. On the next screen, some more plugins. We can simply click on continue and import. Now the demo content import process is begin, and we have to sit tight while we import your content. Do not refresh the page, hit the back button. So it is very simple. So you have to wait on this screen without disturbing it. And yes, if you are eager to know what is going inside or in the background, you can open media library in another tab. If you are getting images, it means all is going fine and you just need to wait. Meanwhile, the demo content is being imported. We can explore internal pages, like this is the home one, and this is about us page of this. It is loading up, don't get confused. Okay, so this is about us page, and it is having a very simple and clear look because this is a medical services website. It is a serious category website. Similarly, we have 3 services options, 3 pages, 3 layouts for services pages, and it is again presenting the content in a very clear manner. Oh, it is white? No. So it is in clear manner, of course, and we can connect all the services through these click to action cards. And the book appointment feature is also here. I believe it is working, and this feature will enable the website to book appointment. So it is redirecting us to contact us page. Okay, so this is just like contact us page, not like, it is exactly contact us page in fact. So it is connected to contact us page. However, if you need any appointment feature, you can configure the appointment plugin. And if you have any question regarding all these things, you can write in the comment section, or as I said, you can join the iCreate program with Mentor Connect after buying the theme through video description link. However, if you are even not buying the theme through link, you can join the program, but in that case, it is going to be paid for you. Okay, so the one-click demo import is going fine, and the media, I believe the number of media items is increasing here. So I just refreshed. Yes, we have received 76 media items in just few seconds, and we are still waiting here. Okay, so around after 3.5 minutes, I got this wonderful message, and it is saying, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So this is being the coolest message which I wish to see in every installation videos. Okay, so now what we have next, we can simply refresh this page to check our website, how it looks with the demo content, and if everything is right, I'll show you the backend again, how we can proceed for editing the website. The new website is loading up, and yes, it is here. So the installation remains smooth, and you can see we got this wonderful website in just few minutes. We have this complete demo website. We can start editing our website. customizing our website, of course, and I'll show you the other pages as well. This is the second one. Yes, this is also good, and it is also having the complete content. Really wonderful. And the appointment features, we can see this is basically for dentists, clinic, and all the home pages, all the media items. I'll show you the media items, how many media items we have received. 166. So these media items are also having the abstract images, so we can use this directly at our website. Good. And now I'm going to show you how many pages we have received. 31 published pages, all good. All home pages are here, account, pricing, and rest of the pages that we can use, services, pages, testimonials, team, and all. So the installation remains successful, and we got this complete website. Now I'm going to show you what we have new in the navigations. I'll show you only new things. I mean, in addition to default WordPress. Case studies are here. You can handle the case studies located at our website through this, and you can simply edit this case study. You have to delete all those things that you are not going to use at your website. Similarly, services is to be handled from here, teams, and I can see the next thing is here, and CPT UI. What is this? Okay, so this is just for creating some UIs, and the slider evolution is of course here, so for handling the main slider image. Okay, so I can see. Okay. Now, if we talk about the basic customization option, I cannot see any theme panel option in this installation. It means the most of things should be available on the customized menu. And it is loading up. I like this theme, and you can now choose this theme. Okay, so this is the theme panel. You can say the Medunit customizer, like header, top bar settings, social profiles, like this is top bar switcher, the header settings, and here we can upload our header logo, and everything is under our control, sub banner and the footer setting and all basic things, and rest of things as we can see in the WordPress. Colors is again colors in our control, header image we can change and all. It is going to be very simple to use theme, and you can create your medical services and the clinic or psychology healthcare service website. So the theme is new. This is why it is available just for $29. Just follow the video description link, buy this theme and start creating your website. With the help of Mentor, you can simply create your website, and of course you can create at your own as well. So it is more than easy, and if we are going to edit the content, it is going to be super simple with the Elementor page builders. Simply open the page that you want to edit, click on edit with Elementor, and you'll be able to edit the content at your web pages. Elementor is very easy to use interface page builder, and it is most widely being used page builder nowadays for WordPress website. Simply cross this, go to the container or navigator, or directly hover on the area that you want to edit, and you can simply change the things. But what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text that has been used in the demo content. Rest things will be fine. So you can simply edit the content, and your website will be fine to launch without any doubt. So I believe you like this theme and going to use this theme for your next website project. If you have any question, you can write in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, join the iCreate program. Everything is for you for creating a wonderful and professional website using WordPress. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.